Yeah, 2008, we had the third consecutive failure of the Falcon rocket for SpaceX. Tesla almost went bankrupt, and I got divorced. That was like rough, man.
T-minus 30 seconds.
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
Some of them are going to sound like, well, you've heard it before, but it's worth re-emphasizing. Depending on how well you want to do, particularly if you're starting a company, you need to work super hard. Work hard every waking hour.
If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 100-hour work weeks, you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve.
Neil Armstrong, Gene Cernan have both testified against commercial spaceflight and the way that you're developing it.
Those guys are heroes of mine, so it's really tough. I wish they would come and visit and see the hardware that we're doing here. And I think that would change their mind.
Launch director on countdown 1. SpaceX Falcon Heavy, go for launch. Falcon Heavy is configured for flight.
And now is the time to take risk. I would encourage you to take risks now. Do something bold.
I just think that there have to be reasons that you get up in the morning and you want to live. Like, why do you want to live? What's the point? What inspires you? What do you love about the future? And if we're not out there, if the future does not include being out there among the stars and being a multi-planet species, I find that it's incredibly depressing if that's not the future that we're going to have.
I don't ever give up. I mean, I'd have to be dead or completely incapacitated.
10, 9, 8,
Side booster ignition.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
They think that technology just automatically improves. It does not automatically improve. It only improves if a lot of people work very hard to make it better. See them both line up? That's unreal. So much. We're 18 years. This has been 18 years to finally fly people to orbit and back, and I really came here because I just wanted to see Bum Doug, to be totally frank. It was like, thank goodness. I think this is something that the whole world can take some pleasure in and can really look at this as an achievement of humanity.
And there's, these are difficult times when, there's not that much good news. And I think this is one of those things that is universally good, no matter where you are on planet Earth. This is a good thing, and I hope it brightens your day. I want to be clear. I'm not trying to be anyone's savior. I'm just trying to think about the future and not be sad.